Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Google Play PC not working. Well, today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Play PC not working. So, for example, you're using your Google Play, and once you click this and it click that, and it doesn't open up, doesn't pop up this one, all you need to do is just refresh. There we go. Refresh it, and once you refresh it, click on it, and click on the Google Play again. If that doesn't work, do the what do you call this? The just type it here in the search result Google Play Store and click on it. There you go. If this too doesn't work, use another browser, for example, Opera. Once you click here, then Google Store. Then click on it. There you go. You see the Google Play Store here. So if it's still not working, all you need to do is just restart your PC. So maybe just a bug or an internet problem of yours. So yeah, there you go. That's how you fix it. And a quick tip for you guys: you can do the if the Google Play Store is not really working, try everything, and everything. You can just try the Microsoft Store for the actual PC games, but a little bit of a mobile game. There you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, or you can just try an emulator if you want, guys. Type down in the comment section below if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to answer them. Thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.